Hey everyone! Today we're opening the Acer Predator Helios Neo 18AI model PHN18-72. For full benchmarks, display measurements, and all our lab data, check the detailed review on LaptopMedia.com, link in the description. Let's get inside. To reach the components, we remove 13 screws and lift off the bottom panel. We're using a Torx T6 screwdriver. All screws are the same length. With a thin plastic tool, we start popping the cover clips loose. Be careful not to slide the tool inward and hit a component. Around the heatsink area, take care not to scratch or bend anything. We do the same on the opposite side. And the bottom cover is off. Next, we disconnect the battery and remove it before continuing. Primary M2 SSD. Second M2 SSD slot. The RAM slots are under this shielding tape. This is the Wi-Fi card. Here's the dual fan cooling, covering the CPU and the dedicated graphics. Here's the battery, a 4-cell lithium-ion pack, about 90 watt-hours, 90.6 watt-hours typical, and 88 watt-hours nominal. First, unplug the battery connector. We tried to break contact on the red wires first. You can check the result of our battery life test on LaptopMedia.com. And don't forget to visit our top 100 laptops with the best battery life ranking page. We remove the primary M2 SSD. This black sheet has thin metal fibers, acting as EMI and RFI shielding. Here are the two RAM slots. We remove the installed memory module. These are so DIMM DDR5 slots, officially up to 64 gigabytes at up to 6400 mega transfers per second. With two matching sticks, you get dual channel. We reinstall the memory module. After lifting both antenna plugs straight up, the Wi-Fi card can be removed. We won't remove it because these antenna connections aren't always perfect once reseated. This series uses a killer Wi-Fi 6E card, AX1675i. Now we reinstall the primary M2 SSD. This laptop has two M2 slots for PCI Express 4 NVMe drives. PCI Express 4 runs at up to 16 gigatransfers per second per lane, and configurations range from 512 gigabytes to 1 or 2 terabytes. That was a full look inside the Predator Helios Neo 18AI, how to open it, and where the battery, storage, memory, Wi-Fi, and cooling are located. In the full review on LaptopMedia.com, you can check our display measurements, thermals and noise behavior under load, and our battery life results for this exact configuration. Thanks for watching. If this teardown helped, like the video, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.